Luke. Well done to him. Jack Gilmore. Third place. Number 31 Leon, ahora entra por Pit Lane, el aplauso de todo este público, no tan solo dedicado, como no, a Michael Schumacher, que se lleva la victoria, el aplauso también, y más que merecido para... Congratulations, Billy Hill. And to the winning constructor.
We both have done, I think, a very good race, very entertaining until the last pit stop. Then he jumped me at the last pit stop because he did a better last section in his second pit stop, and I was a bit in traffic and having some little trouble on top. But anyway, we have done a great race. Remembers me back to old days in last year. Seeing him then retiring just in the last lap, 5 corners or whatever to go to the end, it's shocking because he's really done everything right, and then something like this. I'm sorry for him. I went to see him because it's not the way you like to win a race, honestly. But then sometimes it happens.
I think it's really exciting, the first 4 races have been very hard for me. We've been some competitive and some not so much. Here, I wasn't expecting to be in the podium really. I started 11th and the start was really good and moved me a lot of places up, and then just kept pushing all day long.
Yeah, it's great. The whole team, everybody in the team has worked really hard for the last 3 years. And the beginning of this season has been really, really hard. And to finally get a podium is great. I think it's the boost that everybody was needing.